In this video, I will show you how to customize controls in Fortnite Mobile. Many players find it hard to locate the settings for controls. However, once you know where to look, it becomes quick and easy to make changes. Customizing your controls can help you play better and feel more comfortable while gaming. To begin, launch the Fortnite Mobile app on your device. Once the game loads, locate and tap on the profile icon, situated at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Here, you'll see several icons at the top representing different sections of settings. For control customization, select the touch and motion icon. In this section, players have options to customize their fire mode. Tap on Select Fire Mode to reveal 3 choices. Tap Anywhere, Auto Fire, Dedicated button. Choose any option that suits your playstyle best and don't forget to tap on the Confirm button at the bottom once you've made your selection. Still within touch and motion settings, players can adjust touch sensitivity for better responsiveness during gameplay. Additionally, if you prefer using gyroscope controls for aiming, ensure those options are configured according to personal preference as well. For those who wish to use a controller while playing Fortnite Mobile, tap on the controller icon, located at the top of the settings menu. This section allows further customization such as input mapping for buttons, quick weapon selection configurations, sensitivity adjustments specific for controllers, and even setting up controller dead zones. After making all necessary customizations, whether for touch controls or controllers, ensure you hit apply before exiting out of these menus. Now let's take it a step further by customizing how buttons appear on screen during gameplay. Tap on your profile icon once more. Next, tap on these 3 horizontal lines and select HUD Layout tool. In this section, players can change button sizes and positions or even add or remove specific buttons from their layout. Simply tap any specific button or control you want to modify and make adjustments as needed until it fits perfectly with how you play. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to customize controls in Fortnite Mobile effectively. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.